Stop scrolling. You need to see this incredible animal partnership. The goby fish and pistol shrimp share a special bond. The shrimp builds and maintains a burrow where both can live safely. Meanwhile, the goby keeps watch for predators, using its sharp eyesight to warn the shrimp. It's a perfect partnership. The shrimp gets protection and the goby gets a home. Together, they thrive in the wild where survival is all about teamwork. Here's the amazing part. The shrimp can create a bubble so powerful it stuns predators with sound waves. What's your favorite animal partnership? Share it below and subscribe to Planetary Hub for more incredible stories from the wild.